In the sixth question, one equation given that 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0. We have to write another equation so that we may get intersecting line. What is the condition for intersecting line? We have to write another equation. Here x, here y, here some number will be there, equals 0. Okay. So, then these two dash, we are going to fill some number. By filling that, this ratio should not be equal. Okay. That like we have to fill. Randomly fill some number. Here 4, here 5, here 6. Ratio will not be equal, is it? After filling it randomly, you have to check. Why I am filling randomly? Because not equal we should get. If you do cautiously also, equal to you don't get. So, randomly we are doing. Okay. So, here 2 by 4 is not equal to 3 by 5 obviously. This is one part. As I told you, these two numbers are random because that intersecting line only concerned about first two ratios, a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. Last number could be anything. Just fill. That's all. Likewise, here parallel lines we are looking for. Always write the given equation above and then dash y plus dash x plus dash y plus 1 dash is equals 0. Here, look, the ratio should be equal. That like we have to fill some numbers. Okay. So, here 2 is there. Any particular multiple of 2 we can fill. I am filling 4, let me take. 2 4s are, don't say 24. 8. Here I use the multiple, right? 4th multiple. Here also we can multiply 4th multiple. So that the ratio will be 1 by 4. Got it? Listen here. The ratio will be 1 by 4. That is why here 4th multiple I filled. Here also 4th multiple of 3 I am filling. It is 12. And cautiously, these two ratios should be equal so that we will get a parallel line. This last ratio should not be equal. Shall we put 16 here, 32 here? We can put minus 1 by 4 will come. Obviously, it is not equal. Is it? Here and all 1 by 4 girl. And here minus 1 by 4. So, randomly some number. I am putting 5. Okay. Now, check the ratios. 2 by 8 is equal to 3 by 12. Both is equals to 1 by 4. We filled in such a way. 4th multiple only we filled. And then here, randomly some number I put. It is not equal to minus 8 by 5. So, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Then we have parallel lines. Is it? Now, coincident lines. For coincident lines, see again, we have to write the equation. That is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equals 0. We put 1 dash x plus 1 dash y plus another dash equals to 0. Okay. And in here, see the same equation we have to write. So 1 dash, it is not looks like minus, it is not minus. 1 dash to mention the place I did. Okay. We have to get all the ratios equal. So the ratio are, we have to take a particular multiple of each number. Here I took 4th multiple. Simply I will take 3rd multiple. Why I am taking 3rd multiple? Because everything I am going to multiply it with 3 and we are going to fill that number here. So multiply this 3rd multiple of 2 is 2 3s are 6. 3rd multiple of this 3 is 9. 3rd multiple of this minus 8 is minus 24. Okay. Then you take it, this 2 by 6 will be equal to 3 by 9. will be equal to minus 8 by minus 20. But here positive, here negative. Doesn't it count? Both will become positive. We'll cancel these negatives. Okay. So everything is equals to 1 by 3. It is a coincident line. Got it? Now, I want you to give a separate example. This like using this concept, your own examples. As this answer differs person to person, try to give your own answers. Don't memorize this. Go with the concept. Once again, I'll say intersecting lines we want. So randomly we fill some numbers. Make sure that the ratios are not equal. Here, first two alone we need equal. For that, a particular multiple of this each available number I used. Like fourth multiple I choose. Last number randomly, so that we'll get that last part not equal. Parallel lines will come. Here, a particular multiple of all the three coefficients residues, then only we'll get the equal ratio. That is the idea. Okay. Try in this manner. Write your examples and say your examples. Okay. Come on, make it fast.